Good morning, children. A very warm welcome to all of you. In the previous class, we did lesson 3 of your English grammar, and today I'll be taking up lesson 3 from your English reader. The name of the lesson is True Friends. Children, you must have many friends. Do you help your friends when they need you, or do you leave them alone? Today, we are going to enjoy a story of four friends and their true friendship. In this story, we'll read that how the three friends saved the life of their friend Turtle, who was trapped and caught by the hunter. Once upon a time, four friends, namely a sparrow, a deer, a mouse, and a turtle, lived together in a forest. They were very good friends and always played and stayed with each other. Children, once upon a time in a forest there lived four friends, a sparrow, a deer, a mouse, and a turtle. They were very good friends and would spend most of their time with each other. One day, while the four friends were playing near a pond, they saw a hunter with a big net coming towards them. The animals became very scared and tried to think of ways to save themselves. The deer ran away to the nearby bushes to hide itself. The sparrow flew away to the highest branch of a neighboring tree, and the mouse hid himself in a small hole at the foot of a nearby tree. Now, children, look at this word scared. Scared means fearful, frightened, like I'm scared of spiders or I'm scared of darkness. Next is neighboring. Neighboring means nearby. Next we have foot. Foot means bottom. One is top, one is bottom. So foot means bottom. So one day when the four friends they were playing near a pond, they saw a hunter and he was carrying a big net and was coming towards them. The four friends they became very fearful, very frightened and tried to find the ways to save themselves. So to save themselves from the hunter, the sparrow flew away to the highest branch of a neighboring tree. The deer ran away to the nearby bushes, and the mouse hid himself in a small hole at the bottom of a nearby tree. The turtle also tried to quickly move back into the pond, but since he walked slowly, the hunter caught and trapped him in his net. Now, children, trapped means look at this word trapped. Trapped means to catch. Okay, now the turtle, being a slow walker, got trapped in the hunter's net and therefore caught by the hunter. So, though the hunter he was very disappointed, he was very, dejected on not being able to catch the deer. But he was happy that he had the turtle and he would not go hungry. The sparrow, the deer, and the mouse were very troubled to see their friend trapped in the hunter's net. They quickly thought of a plan to save the turtle. Now, children, the deer, the mouse, and the crow and the sparrow they were very worried to see their friend caught. So they came up with a plan to save him. The sparrow flew high. The sparrow flew high up in the sky to locate where the hunter had gone. When he found the hunter, he told the deer, who ran quickly to overtake the hunter, taking care not to be seen by him. The deer went and lay down on the hunter's path, pretending to be dead. When the hunter saw the dead deer, he became very happy on seeing the big animal which he could take back instead of the small turtle. He dropped the trapped turtle on the ground and went towards the deer. Now, children, overtake means look at this word overtake. Overtake means to go past another person, car, etc. because you are moving faster. Next is pretending means something that is not what it seems, fake. So, the sparrow flew high up in the sky to locate the hunter. Then the deer overtook the hunter and went and lay at a little distance on the path, pretending to be dead. When the hunter saw the deer lying on the ground, he thought the deer must be dead. and he was very happy at having found a deer finally, and which he could take back instead of the small turtle. And so the hunter dropped the caught turtle on the ground and went towards the deer. The mouse quickly went towards the turtle, cut the net with his sharp teeth, and freed the turtle. Now, to save the turtle, the mouse quickly went towards the turtle, cut the net with his sharp teeth, and freed the turtle. Freed means to set free. The turtle and the mouse then quickly escaped from the place. As soon as the hunter reached the deer, it got up abruptly and ran away into the forest. The hunter was astonished. Feeling disappointed, he turned back to pick up the trapped turtle. However, to his surprise, the net had been cut and the turtle had escaped. Now, children, what do you mean by escaped? Means ran away. Next, we have abruptly. Abruptly means suddenly. Next, we have astonished. Astonished means surprised. Then disappointed. Disappointed means dejected, sad and upset. So the hunter, he was unaware of what the mouse had done, and he walked towards the deer. As soon as he came near the deer, it suddenly got up and ran away into the forest. The hunter was surprised. Feeling sad, feeling upset, he went back to pick up the trapped turtle. But to his surprise, the net had been cut and the turtle was gone. The hunter cursed his misfortune and went back home. The turtle thanked his friends for saving him, and the four friends lived happily together in the forest. Children, cursed means speaking bad words in anger. Misfortune means ill luck, bad luck. So, shaking his head at his bad luck, the hunter went back home. He cursed his bad luck, and the turtle thanked his friends for saving him, and the four friends lived happily together in the forest. Now, children, what is the moral of the story? What you have learned from the story? That true friends never leave their friend in trouble. I hope you all have understood the chapter, children. So, thank you. Have a good day. But before that, let's revise some of the new words. Neighboring is nearby, foot, bottom, troubled, worried, overtake, to go past someone, pretending, showing fake behavior, fake, something that is not what it seems. Then freed means to set free, escaped, ran away, abruptly, suddenly, astonished, surprised, disappointed, sad and upset, cursed, speaking bad words in anger, misfortune, ill luck. That's all for the day, children. Have a good day. Thank you.